discover the fascinating description of the oceans in the Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago. In Surah Ar-Rahman, the Quran speaks about the meeting of two seas and their distinct characteristics. We'll explore the scientific accuracy of these Quranic verses, the wonders of oceanography, and the miraculous nature of the Quran's description. Have you ever wondered what truly lies beneath the ocean's shimmering surface? Our planet is defined by its oceans, covering over 70% of Earth and holding secrets that have captivated humanity for millennia. This immense realm is the cradle of life, a place of beauty and power, home to creatures so strange they seem otherworldly. For generations, the deep ocean remained a mystery. Ancient mariners knew only the surface, while the abyss below was a realm of myth. Their understanding was limited to what they could glimpse from the shore or ship, far from the complexity hidden beneath. Yet, in ancient texts, we sometimes find descriptions that echo discoveries made only in our modern age. The Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, contains passages describing the ocean with remarkable foresight. These words came from a people far from the sea's depths, inviting us to compare ancient wisdom with today's scientific discoveries. The journey into this comparison is as fascinating as the ocean itself. The Quran describes the deep sea as darknesses within a vast deep sea covered by waves, above which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand, he can hardly see it. This isn't just poetic, it mirrors the reality of the abyssal zone, where sunlight vanishes and darkness prevails. Modern science confirms, as we descend, light fades in layers. At 200 meters, we enter the twilight zone. Beyond 1,000 meters, it's perpetual night, lit only by bioluminescent life. The Quran's imagery of layered darkness matches this scientific reality. The verse also mentions waves, above which are waves. For centuries, this was mysterious. Today we know of internal waves, massive, slow-moving waves deep within the ocean, invisible from the surface, moving between layers of different densities. Surface waves, driven by wind, ride above these hidden giants. For such knowledge to appear in a 7th century text, long before modern oceanography, is remarkable. It challenges us to reflect on the sources of ancient knowledge. The Quran's descriptions are not just poetic, they align with what we now know about the ocean's structure. This intersection of faith and science invites deeper exploration. The Quran also describes the meeting of two seas. He has let loose the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier which they do not transgress. To the naked eye, seas should mix freely, but science shows otherwise. When waters with different salinity or temperature meet, a boundary forms, a visible front, as seen at the Strait of Gibraltar, where Atlantic and Mediterranean waters flow side by side. This barrier, created by differences in density, prevents immediate mixing. The Quran also mentions the meeting of fresh and salt water, separated by a forbidding partition, what we now call the Pycnochline zone. These precise descriptions, from a 7th century desert culture, match modern oceanography. They push us to consider how such knowledge was articulated so long before scientific discovery. The boundaries of our understanding are still expanding. These verses aren't about turning scripture into a science book, but about appreciating the harmony between faith, curiosity, and discovery. The wonders described in the Quran, deep darkness, internal waves, barriers between seas, remained mysteries for centuries. Only with modern tools did their full meaning emerge, reminding us there's always more to learn. Whether through science or faith, our quest for knowledge is a journey of exploration. The resonance between ancient text and modern science opens new chapters of inquiry. We are left with awe for the oceans, for ancient wisdom, and for the mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. The Blue Planet's secrets invite us to keep exploring, with open minds and open hearts.